Hey guys, today we're checking out something really cool. The viaim recdot earbuds. These aren't just your everyday wireless earbuds, no. These come packed with some game-changing features, especially if you're into recording meetings, calls, or just want top-tier audio quality. Are these the ultimate productivity earbuds? Let's find out. Let's start with what's in the box. Inside the box, you get the earbuds, the charging case, multiple ear tip sizes, a USB-C charging cable, and of course, the quick start guide. Now, just look at these. They have a sleek design, futuristic, and the case has this cool floating hollow logo that catches the light. Definitely feels super premium. Comfort-wise, they come in 4 sizes, XS, S, M, and L, and viaim even has a fit test in their app to help you get the perfect seal. For me, they feel super lightweight and they stay in place pretty well. Let's talk about the sound quality. These pack an 11mm dynamic speaker, titanium plated diaphragm, and a Japanese daikoku voice coil, which in simple term means you get clear highs, deep bass, and a well-balanced sound. What's even better, you can customize your sound using an 8-band equalizer or choose from 18 sound profiles like bass boost, treble boost, or even podcast mode if you prefer clear speech. Now, noise cancellation. This is a big deal. The viaim recdot features up to 48 dB of active noise cancellation, and it automatically adjusts your ear canal. That's pretty wild. And if you still need to hear your surroundings, there's a transparency mode with 2 options. Transparent vocals, which focuses on voices, and fully transparent, which lets in all outside sounds. Alright, now onto what makes these earbuds really special. Flash record. You can start recording instantly by just long pressing the earbud. No need to open an app, no Bluetooth interference, it just records everything, including calls, meetings, or even face-to-face conversations. And here's where it gets even cooler. Your recordings can be transcribed in real time into 13 different languages, and viaim's AI even summarizes your meetings and creates to-do lists for you. Imagine how useful this is for students, professionals, or content creators. Call quality is another big win here. These have 4 mics with a bone conduction microphone, meaning it picks up your voice vibrations that makes calls crystal clear even in noisy environments. Plus, it filters out background noise way better than standard earbuds. About battery life, 9 hours on a single charge and 36 hours with the case. Plus, 5 minutes of charging gets you 1 hour of playback, and the case supports wireless charging. Super convenient. Another cool feature, dual device connectivity. You can have these connected to both your phone and laptop at the same time, and it'll switch automatically between them. If you game on your phone, there's a low latency gaming mode that reduces delay, and they even have a special PUBG sound mode to enhance your audio experience. What's my final verdict on the viaim recdot earbuds? They're not just great for music, but also insanely useful for professionals, students, and content creators. The recording features real-time transcription, AI summaries, and top-notch sound quality make them stand out from other earbuds I've tried. If you're looking for a pair of earbuds that can do it all, from calls and meetings to music and gaming, these are a solid pick. What do you guys think? Would you use these for work or school? Drop a comment below. If you're interested, check them out using the links in the description. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more reviews. See you in the next one.